Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the importance of statements recorded during survey has been discussed at large by the Jaipur ITAT A bench in the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Naresh Jain. This case has been reported in 120 ITR Tribunal at page number 486. And the date of the judgment is 5th August 2024. In the income tax proceedings, the statements are recorded of the assessee in a number of cases. The statement of assessee can be recorded when a search is made on the assessee, and this statement is recorded under section 132 subsection 4. Sometimes it happens that there is survey on the assessee, and in the cases of survey also, the statement of assessee may be recorded. This statement can be statement on oath, and it can be statement without oath. And apart from that, the revenue also records a statement in the income tax proceedings under section 131. The question arises whether all the statements have same evidentiary value. It is very important to mention that only in section 132 subsection 4 it has been mentioned that the statement recorded under section 132 subsection 4, that is at the time of search, will have evidentiary value, while these words are absent when there is a mention of statement in the case of survey. So this comes very clear that this distinction has been made with some purpose, and if this distinction will not be made, then it will be like misinterpretation of the provisions of section 132 subsection 4. When there is distinction, then it should be read, and all the provisions should not be kept at the same footing. In the present case, a survey has been made on the assessee. The statement was recorded, and in that statement the assessee has admitted that he has made some cash payments which are not recorded in the books of accounts. And after that, the assessee withdrew his statement with an affidavit. But the learned assessing officer made the statement solely on the basis of the statement of the assessee, and no effort was made to collect the evidence either at the time of the survey or at the time of the assessment proceedings. When this matter was before the tribunal said that in the present case the additions made by the assessing officers are not justified because they are solely on the basis of the statements. No effort has been made on the part of the assessing officer to collect the evidence or at the time of survey by the survey team. So no blind reliance on the statement without the evidence should be made. The tribunal said that when the statements are recorded, at that time it happens that, and it is very general, that the records are not available with the assessee, and that are the moments of tension. So it may happen that the assessee may get his statement recorded which is not correct. So the assessee has every right to correct the facts on the basis of which the statement has been recorded. So according to the tribunal, there is a big difference between the statement which is recorded under the search proceedings and the statement which is recorded at the survey proceedings. Since the present case is related to the survey, so that statement do not have the equal importance as an evidentiary value as the statement which are recorded under section 132 subsection 4. And according to the Central Board of Direct Taxes circular also, the CBDT has admitted that it is a general practice on the part of the revenue that the statements are recorded at the with a pressure. So even the CBDT has guided the search team that every effort should be made to collect the evidence and not to collect or to record the statements with undue pressure. So in the present case, the Jaipur ITAT A bench deleted the addition which were made solely on the basis of the statements without collecting the evidences. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Naresh Jain, and this case is reported in 120 ITR Tribunal at page number 486, and the date of the judgment is 5th August 2024. Thank you, friends.